Hello from Osaka. Today we're exploring the vibrant Minami district, the energetic heart of the city known for its food, shopping, and neon nights. Let's go. We're starting our walk here at Doguyasuji Shotengai. If you love Japanese food culture, this place is a hidden gem. Doguyasuji is a 150-meter covered shopping arcade dedicated almost entirely to kitchenware. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this street is a must-visit for anyone with even the slightest interest in cooking. As we stroll down Doguyasuji Shotengai, you'll notice shop after shop selling professional-grade kitchenware, from beautifully crafted knives to a wide range of restaurant supplies. Many of these stores have been serving restaurant owners for decades. Osaka has long been known as Japan's kitchen, so it feels especially fitting to begin our Minami walk here. Even if you're not shopping, it's a fascinating place to explore and appreciate the craftsmanship behind Japan's food scene. One particularly interesting stop here is Design Pocket, a specialty shop famous for its incredibly realistic food replicas. The store even offers hands-on workshops where visitors can learn to craft lifelike food samples using polyvinyl chloride, just like the displays you see in restaurant windows all across Japan. From here, we're heading to dinner. It's about an 8-minute walk to our destination, Takashimaya Osaka Store, one of the most famous department stores in the Namba area. As we walk past the shopping streets, Minami really starts to come alive. The crowds grow thicker and the atmosphere picks up. This is the Osaka energy people love. We've arrived at Takashimaya Osaka Store. Takara Zushi is located on the 7th floor, and the atmosphere here is wonderful, relaxed and welcoming. One nice touch is that the chef comes right to your table to prepare the first piece of sushi in front of you. The quality of the ingredients really shines. After a full day of walking, this is the perfect way to recharge. Dinner was excellent. Now the night walk continues. From Takashimaya Osaka Store, we're heading toward the lively Ebisubashi-suji Shopping Street, one of the busiest shopping streets in Osaka. This route will take us straight toward the bright lights of Dotonbori. Let's go. Here you can see the statue of Ebisu, one of Japan's 7 lucky gods, and the namesake of this shopping street. Ebisu Shopping Street is always buzzing. Dotonbori Canal was dug in the early 1600s. The area south of the canal was developed into a theater district, and at one time 5 red light districts operated nearby. Meanwhile, Ebisubashi-suji grew into a major shopping street, a role it continues to play today. You'll find everything here: fashion, cosmetics, souvenirs, and plenty of street snacks. The covered arcade makes it an easy walk in any weather, and the energy builds with every block. You can probably already feel it. We're getting close. And now, we've arrived at Dotonbori, the beating heart of Osaka's local culture. This area was once the city's premier theater and entertainment district. Over time, declining interest in traditional performances led to the closure of most of Dotonbori's original theaters. Today, Osaka Shochikuza Theatre is the last major theater remaining in the area. But Dotonbori isn't just neon lights and giant signs. This place represents something deeper about Osaka. Osaka has always been a merchant city. During the Edo period, goods from all over Japan flowed through here, and the city developed a reputation for food, commerce, and lively street life. That spirit is still very much alive today. Osaka people are known for being friendly, direct, and a little playful. And you can feel that personality everywhere in Dotonbori. The oversized signs, the giant crab, the dramatic billboards. It's bold and unapologetic. Very Osaka. You may also spot Kuidaore Taro, the beloved mascot of Dotonbori, famous for perfectly capturing the city's fun-loving food culture. And of course, the iconic Glico Running Man Sign has become much more than an advertisement. It's now one of the defining symbols of Osaka's energetic spirit. There's a local phrase here, Kuidaore. It loosely means eat until you drop. That tells you everything about Osaka. Street foods like takoyaki and okonomiyaki aren't just snacks. They're part of everyday life. People gather here to eat, laugh, and enjoy the night together. Dotonbori captures that communal energy perfectly.
이건 젊은 애들.
We finish our walk here at the iconic Dotonbori Canal, and this is the classic Osaka night view. Neon reflections dancing on the water, the steady flow of people crossing the bridges, the non-stop energy of Minami, lively above, peaceful below. If you want to understand Osaka, don't just visit Dotonbori. Walk it at night and let the city's personality reveal itself. Because this isn't just a tourist spot. This is Osaka being Osaka. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next one.